7 people dead. Locals in Maui and first responders from Southern California all banding together during this devastating natural disaster in Hawaii. People are donating their time and essential supplies to those in need.
Let's check back in with KCAL News reporter Jeff Nguyen live in Maui tonight with the latest. Jeff?
Susie and Jeff, even at this hour, we are still seeing some volunteers out here waiting to receive people who want to make donations. This is a shelter that has been put up by the American Red Cross. So since it's so dark right now, let me go ahead and roll some video for you so you can get a better sense of some of the good work that's being done here, because throughout the day we've been seeing people driving up in cars and trucks to drop off donations. At times there have been families walking up with their children. Sometimes the bags that the kids carry are actually taller than the kids themselves, hoping to help strangers, essentially. Once inside, evacuees are provided shelter, everyday essentials, and medical attention if they need that. And during our flight to Maui, an 8-person urban search and rescue team from Riverside City Fire came here as well. The crew will be working to set up communication lines for first responders. Things that we take for granted, like cell reception in a lot of places, don't exist. So it's been very spotty here. We talked to the supervisor of this team, and he told us why this mission is so important to him.
To me, it is personal. My family is from Hawaii. My dad was born here. My grandparents were born here. My origin is Hawaiian and Portuguese. So I have family members that are on all of the islands out here.
So at this point, it is very unclear how long that urban search and rescue team from Riverside Fire will be deployed for this mission. Jeff and Susie, we'll send it back to you.
Oh, Jeff, we have some new drone video tonight of the devastation in Lahaina.
Yeah, have you been able to get close there, Jeff?
Yeah. So right now, people are, not everyone is allowed to get in there. If you're in law enforcement or the fire department, or if you are someone who is a resident there. Journalists here in Hawaii cannot cross certain road closures like we have the freedom to do in California. While you're playing this drone video, as we see it in California, some of the folks who are living at the shelter are seeing it as well. We spoke to one mom with her sons. They have been here. They are from Lahaina. Because some of the images that have been coming out, such as what you're seeing, her assumption is that her home is completely gone. What makes this matter even more heartbreaking for this family is we're not just talking about businesses and homes, but if you're a parent with children, chances are their schools are gone as well. So, that is something that the community has to think about in the days ahead. Not only is infrastructure gone, not only are livelihoods gone, not only are homes gone, but, places for children to go to be educated, given what kids had to endure in recent years with distance learning and whatnot. School is such a huge component of a child's development.
Sure.
Guys.
Jeff Nguyen live in Maui tonight for us.
Okay, Jeff, thank you so much for your work out there today. Just a reminder, you're going to see Jeff again tomorrow evening here on KCAL News.
And if you want to help the victims of the Hawaii fire disaster, you can go to kcalnews.com for a link to the Red Cross and other agencies providing help. And
make sure to stay with KCAL News, kcalnews.com, and our streaming service, CBS News Los Angeles, for the very latest on the Maui wildfires.
In other news tonight, a bittersweet goodbye for a popular SoCal